Hi guys, it's Catherine, and I'm gonna do another flip through video for you today. I know I have had requests to please do plan with me's and to do setup videos. I am still struggling with that. That's something I've been trying to do. It's not something that comes naturally to me, and I think part of it is just how I do my planning. I find sometimes it's more stressful than cathartic, and part of like doing my craft room over is to like make it go more smoothly. So I'm also doing the like mock spreads, those plan with me's, to serve a dual purpose. There are a lot of people who aren't sure how to get started and think it will cost a lot, or there's just a lot of reasons. So I'm doing those, and it's also good practice for me so that hopefully I can do a proper setup video, because I do love watching them. I am watching them, trying to get tips. And so one of the things that I have said before is my planner system tends to evolve throughout the month, and what you see at the end of the month is in no way a reflection of what you see at the beginning or what was there at the beginning. I am actually in my third planner cover of the month. Like, I'm on number 3. I started in a Foxy, I think. Yeah, a Foxy Fix. Then I moved on to a Pell Studio one, and now I'm in a Chic Sparrow. This is the Highland Green Outlander, and this leather is amazing. It looks so different today than it did last night. Like, the color on this one shifts. It's a really lovely green. It smells super nice, so if you're like a leather sniffer, this one is going to be right up your alley, and it's so like, the feel is amazing. So let's just get into it. These are washi tapes, and can you hear that? It's sticking. Ladies, please. The new washi tubes at Michael's, like, I couldn't be fussed with bringing it back, especially because I'd used so much by that point. Please, just keep on walking. I'm not even kidding, because the quality of their washi and the tubes has just seriously gone downhill. It's super pretty, but like, it's sticky. And then like, these two keep tearing. I can't get them off the roll. It's just, yeah, like, this one's good, but yeah, it's been a bit of a nightmare. And I'm kind of angry at them for like unrelated, well, semi-related reasons. Like, just, it's a long story. So yeah, they're pretty, but save your money and buy something else. This is just like scraps that I used. I put them together, laminated it. This is a square shaped doily that I laminated, and I've tried to use them unlaminated and they're just falling apart. So yeah, if you can laminate them. This is actually for putting food on. The company is Decorative, and I got them off Amazon. There's like 20 in a pack. I laminated it, cut it loosely. Fits great in a pocket size. Now, I will do a separate video on my trackers, because there's kind of a lot to talk about here. The way that I do it, it's very, like, there's a lot that goes into this specific insert. So I'm going to explain what all these things mean and why I have them. Yeah, so it would just take too long. There's no way. This is just sticky notes. I got this in a big set at not Hobby Lobby, Home Goods. These two are both sticky notes from that pack. This was like from the Target dollar spot 2 years ago. I just have some washi cards that they're like as much as 2 or 3 years old that I wrapped them. So I'm just kind of trying to work from these and get them off there and just use up that washi. This is Couture pens. And if I have, like, if you have one, I have one, the rose gold or gold metallic planner with like the pink Safino leather. This pen is a spot on match to that. Seriously, it looks so pretty. So yeah, I love this with that, and it was just a happy accident. It came, I opened it, threw it in my planner, and then when I got where I was going, it was like, ooh, that looks great. So yeah, I have some subscription washi. This is all of the Simply Gilded for the past month, and then this washi tape here is both Shop Villa Beautiful, Fox and Pip Sparkly Paper Co collab. This paper is just like American Crafts scrapbooking paper. I got it like Joann's. Okay, I am super pleased with how this month has been going. This is the first month that I'm like properly proud of my spreads. And I feel like each week got a little bit better. This one is my favorite. This is my current week, and I'm just so over the moon happy with it. I love it. I love this collaboration. I actually bought extras of these stickers, and I'm not a duplicates person. I won't buy duplicates of things. Yeah, I'm like, there's always something new coming out that I'm gonna love, and there's no sense to it. So just buy one, use it, love it, and then move on to the next thing and use and love that. Because pretty soon you have so much stuff and then you can't even enjoy it. Like I loved it so much I bought two, but if I buy 2 or 3 of everything, then I'll never get to use that second sheet, right? So yeah, and then this is my whole thing against hoarding. If I didn't use it, if it were like too good to use, I wouldn't get to enjoy it in my spread. So yeah, I like to use it. And this washi, actually, I paired with it. This is the Michaels washi. I lost so much to just tearing, like along, you know how it does that along the sides? Yeah. So, Planners Anonymous. I'm so excited for the next box. It's gonna be so pretty. And then this is just my house cleaning. I'm not done. What happened was I really got sucked into working in my craft room, so that kind of just, yeah, fell apart. This is vellum from Hobby Lobby, and it matches my favorite paper, which you will also see in here, also from Hobby Lobby, the Fox and Pip Sparkly Paper Co collab. I love that because I have my mild liners all the time. Fox and Pip, it's that same collab, Villa Beautiful, and I do a video on these like bookmark divider things. Oops. And then more doilies. I have found actually that I don't go into this very often, and I just love having my pen clip on there because I was having problems with where do I put it, and this is just set a little bit inwards, so it's working really well. This is these, like, they come in 3 packs. There's a tiny one, the bigger size, and then a huge one. So different ones. I don't think these two are in the same package. And then I used the Mummy Lay Better Together. No, the Pop Goes My Heart digital kit. And then this is Villa Beautiful digital paper. And I have Mummy Lay printable inserts. So if you have the Pinka Dot planners, this is a perfect match to that. It has a different cover. Obviously I didn't use it. What I'm trying to do here is I'm gonna redo this. This is just the place to put all this stuff. I messed up cutting it, so I'm just gonna redo it. But I will use it in the meantime. I'm trying to compile a list of all the companies I know that do PR codes, that have, not PR teams who have codes, or design team people, excuse me, and what their discount is. And if they have things like, I need to put Sparkly Paper Co. in there because they do a special Facebook group freebie. And there are, sorry, I can't talk today. There are a lot of shops that do that. It's like a full set. Do I have it here? No, of course I can't find it. They got put away. Go figure. I start putting things away and now I can't find anything. But they do a full, like it's a full size sheet of just their most popular stickers, and that's exclusive for people in their Facebook group. So I want to have all those codes there so that I'm not missing any sales. That's a big deal for me. You know, I don't like paying full price for anything. I mean, who does? But yeah. This is actually vellum that I made. I have a sheet of clear acetate over it. This is vellum that I made using things from Pop Goes My Heart, the Mummy Lay digital kit, This is a freebie from Unicorn Planner. This is a freebie from Love Cynthia. This is a digital from Fox and Pip. This is digital art from Create the Cut. Same there, that's the same, Create the Cut. So yeah, I just kind of threw all these things together because I thought they were pretty and happy and had kind of a similar color theme happening. And then this is that favorite paper that matches that vellum. I can't find it at Hobby Lobby anymore and I'm really upset. This is, you guys may have seen this before. I made this, I really like it. I do need to do it over though. Yes, so you can see. And I thought it looked so, just like so pretty over that paper. And then these are washi cards, which is different washi from different places. And I have it sandwiched in between the laminated doilies. These are just scraps that I had and I layered them and then ran them through the laminator. I have them layered like this because the darker leathers, like the more richly dyed ones, it doesn't seem to matter the brand. There's transfer, so I'm just trying to protect the washi. So yeah, and then I have my mild liner, I have my pen loops that I made. Yeah. And then this is from Fur and You on Etsy, and I think she's opening up again tomorrow. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I loved filming it for you. As always, any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Why can't I do this today? I tell you guys, it's one of those days. All right, well, see you next time. Bye.